So people are saying like you can do the dog ball with the filters and stuff, and then you have to put the dog in the title. So let's try it out. Let's just try it. I really don't like ew. But like, I really just found this. That's the end.